Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Atrey and on this channel I make videos related to makeup, beauty, skincare, reviews, hauls, etc. So if this is something interests you, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in today's video I am going to review newly launched Nykaa Ultra Matte Lipstick in mini variant. So as you all know that Nykaa had their earlier lipstick, which was this is the full size of their lipstick, and this is the best seller I think from Nykaa Cosmetics in lipstick range, because this was this was the lipstick, only lipsticks which was loved by many people, many bloggers, many people in general. So I am going to talk about the formula and the longevity and also the shades they have launched in this particular genre. So if you are interested, make sure to grab a snack or coffee and let's get started with the video. Now guys, I remember in 2018 Nykaa launched their ultra matte lipstick and people went gaga over their lipstick, and this was the full size of the lipstick. And just now, that is 2021, they launched their mini lipsticks in the same variant, that is the Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick. Now let's first of all talk about the mini lipstick. So this is how it looks like. I am going to show you a close-up, and this is how the packaging looks like. And guys, I really love the packaging. This reminds me of Bobbi Brown lipstick packaging, if I'm not wrong. That's how their liquid lipstick, not liquid lipstick, their bullet lipsticks are also like that, like the smaller ones. So it reminds me of that. I have three shades with me. I have Grace, I have Coco, and I have Mona Lisa. And I have also swatched all of them right over here. Talking about the outer packaging, this is super duper cute, guys. Really cute. I mean, such cute packaging. And this resembles their pretty standardized packaging of the liquid lipsticks as well. So this is vegan, this is cruelty free. And by the way, if I talk about the quantity of the product, now you get 1.8 grams of product for rupees 249, if I'm not wrong. I will mention the price over here. But you get 1.4 gram, that is really tiny, really less, like, you see only this much, you get only this much. So these are actually mini lipsticks. So if I talk about the actual packaging, this was their actual packaging. It was really big, and it also had magnetic cap, but this does not have that. I prefer using a non-magnetic cap because these caps are not very travel friendly, and this is really travel friendly. You can also keep this inside your pocket and call it a day. And although we used to get somewhere around 4 grams of product in this particular lipstick, and this is how this lipstick used to look like. And you get 3 years of shelf life. So in both the lipsticks you get 3 years of shelf life. That is really amazing, I would say. And talking about the formulation, I definitely feel that the formula is pretty similar in their in their full size lipstick and their mini lipsticks. Now if you are a lipstick lover like me, you will prefer going for the mini lipstick, but then one wise choice is that you should go for the bigger size, because you get more product here and it is comparatively cheaper than the smaller or shorter lipsticks. But if you're like me who likes to experiment, these are your thing, babe. And I really love the packaging, like I told you, and I really wanted to try more colors in this range. Always on 599, 600, so I really didn't want to spend that much of money. So I'm very happy that they came out with these minis. At least I got to try out many more shades, and I literally love these shades. I mean, they are really good. Now let me just swatch this lipstick. And these are very long lasting. So this is Jane, by the way. So this is Jane, and Jane is really similar to Mona Lisa. I also have Mona Lisa, so I'm just going to swatch them, because many people think that Jane and Mona Lisa is very similar. But if you can see, yeah, they both have these peachy undertone, but Mona Lisa is more on the pinkier side, if you can tell, and Jane is more on the peachy side, peachy brownie side. and I didn't find any problem in the formula. The formula is very similar, both the formula are very similar, very comfortable, well as very long lasting. They are really long lasting, and you will get a lot of shades. But you know, sadly in the mini variants they don't have a lot of options. They only have 6 shades, but they are their, you know, best sellers, so you must go and check it out. And you can try out one mini first, and then you can go for these lipsticks. They are not very drying on your lips, but it might dry out your lips in winters, but in summers, like summer of Delhi, you are going to love these lipsticks, absolutely love these lipsticks. So yeah, that is about it. If you want to watch my complete review, I have swatched the full size ones with my favorite lipsticks. I am going to leave the video, the previous video which I did on these lipsticks. You can go and check them out. I mean, I have really worked out on that video, because I swatched so many lipsticks so as to compare these lipsticks with, you know, other lipsticks. Any which ways, these are really my favorite, and I recommend you to go and, you know, give these a try. And these are bought, I have bought these with my own money, so these are not sponsored or not PR, so don't get me wrong. And that tiny, I mean, you can see for yourself. Can you see this? But I really like that they have, you know, color coordinated the packaging, because then if you have more than one lipstick, it is very easy, which was not there in their one more matte lipstick was there, I think. So matte lipsticks, so but here you get color coordinated caps, so that's really commendable. That's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Also enjoy the swatches and let me know which one of you, which one of these is your favorite. I'm fumbling so much, I'm very sorry for that. We'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.